this video, I will show you how to get this cool Christmas screensaver for your Windows laptop or PC. This is Mr. ASquare Tech. Let's get started. First, you need to open any standard web browser and search for Screensaver Planet. Click on the link as shown in the video. Locate the search bar and search for Christmas Serenity. This is the one you want to download. Click on it. Now click on download button. By the way, no flash software is required to run this screensaver. After downloading, open the downloads folder. Now right click on the downloaded file and click on open. The screensaver installation window will be opened. Proceed with the instructions and install it. The screensaver will be installed and the screensaver dialog will be opened. By default, the Christmas screensaver is selected. Let's click on preview to see the look of it. Wow, it looks amazing. Make sure the wait time is 1 or 2 minutes so that the screensaver will appear after 1 or 2 minutes of your computer's idle time. Let's click on OK to apply the screensaver. If the screensaver setting is somehow missed, select Windows key and search for Screensaver. Here you can access the screensaver and change it as per your choice. That's it guys, what are you waiting for? Add the screensaver to your desktop and chill in the old school memories. If you have any questions, ping me on Instagram @Mr. ASquare Tech. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with the tech you love.